That's the thing. What I want to just leave with people is that when your mind is healthy.
Mm.
Yeah. So I was saying, mind, like I alluded earlier, like mindset is everything. For me, when I have a healthy mindset, I have
Mm-hmm.
a healthy body.
Yep.
I can command things positively. Energy can flow from my mind into my body. And that's the thing. What I want to just leave with people is that when your mind is healthy,
Mm.
you have a way of healing your body that no doctor can, that
Absolutely.
no physician
Yeah.
can, that no person can. You can actually speak to yourself and say, command certain things, but
Mm-hmm.
obviously with discipline.
Mm-hmm.
And when your mind is healthy, you can command a lot of things in your body. So when your mind is healthy, and I've always said, mindset is everything. Healthy mind, healthy body, and a healthy lifestyle. Basically, you know, um, it's the life. It's what we need. It's what we
Yeah.
want
And
for our
and
communities.
absolutely. And when you embrace those points, you give the best version of yourself to your family, to your community,
Yeah,
to your work, to your business, whatever it is.
yeah,
And that's really
yeah.
what is so vital.